Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Wokka noodles. Start by gathering all your ingredients, like your favorite Wokka noodles, fresh vegetables, and a protein such as chicken or tofu. It's super important to have everything prepped before you begin cooking, so chop your veggies and slice your protein into bite-sized pieces. Make sure your wok or a large frying pan is heated to a high temperature, ready for action. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick cooking process. Now, add about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil to your screaming hot wok. Stir-fry your protein until it's almost cooked through, then set it aside. Next, toss in your harder vegetables like carrots and broccoli and stir-fry them for about 2 minutes. Then, add your softer veggies, such as bell peppers and snap peas, cooking for just 1 more minute to keep them crisp. While your vegetables are cooking, prepare your Wokka noodles according to the package instructions, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Drain them well. Once your veggies are ready, return the cooked protein to the wok along with the noodles. Pour in your favorite stir-fry sauce, using about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, and toss everything together vigorously for about 1 minute until it's all beautifully coated and heated through. Before serving, give your Wokka noodles a quick taste test and adjust any seasonings if needed. A pinch of salt or a dash more soy sauce can make all the difference. For a fresh finish, garnish your dish with some chopped green onions or fresh cilantro. Serve your piping hot Wokka noodles immediately to enjoy them at their peak flavor and texture. It's a quick, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.